Hey guys! All right, so today we're going to go over how to use the standard algorithm to multiply a fraction by a fraction. All right, so we are going to try 1/2 times 3. Okay guys, remember in order to write a fraction out of a whole number, when you want to take a whole number and make a fraction, we write it over a denominator of 1 because there is one part in each whole. Now, when we're ready to multiply fractions, we multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So here we have 1 times 3 equals 3, and 2 times 1 equals 2. So 1/2 times 3 over 1 equals 3/2. Now, guys, remember, we have to put it in simplest form or lowest terms. So if you remember from when we modeled fractions, if we have 3/2, 3/2 equals 1 and 1/2. Okay, guys, the other thing you could have done is you could have said 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2, that's taking out one whole because there's two parts in a whole. And then that leaves you one part left over and your denominator stays the same. So you get 1/2. Let's try another one. We're going to do 3/5 times 2/3. So we have 3/5 times 2/3. Remember, we multiply denominator times denominator. So you have 3 times 2 is 6, and 5 times 3 is 15. I've got 6/15ths, but I have to put it in simplest form. I know that 6 and 15 are both multiples of 3, so I'm going to divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So I get an answer of 2/5. Guys, the trickiest thing about this is remembering to simplify. And if you can remember to simplify, it'll make your life easier. Let's do one more just to make sure you guys kind of have the hang of it. Let's do 5/9 times 3/5. So we get 5 times 3 is 15 because I multiply numerator times numerator. Now I'm going to do 9 times 5, denominator times denominator. 9 times 5 is 45. Now, I know that 15 and 45 are both multiples of 5. I can skip count by 5 to get to 15. 5, 10, 15. I can skip count by 5s to get to 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I'm going to divide both 15 and 45 each by 5. Okay, so I know that 15 divided by 5 is 3. 45 divided by 5 is 9. And that gives me 3/9. But guess what? There was a better multiple I could have used because I can still simplify 3/9 because 3 and 9 are both multiples of 3. So I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3, and that's going to give me 1/3. Guys, I did that intentionally to show you that you're not always going to get simplest term the first time, depending on what factor you choose to divide by or what divisor you choose to divide by, okay? And so you may have to divide more than once. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, please, or reach out to me on class tag. For you, those of you that have my cell phone number, you can text me. I am here to help. You have 5 practice problems to complete using the standard algorithm. Remember to show your work. Remember, you must put your answers in simplest term. Have a great day.